Gaza's been under siege for over 5 years, an illegal blockade affecting the lives of over 1.5 million innocent people. At the end of 2008, Israeli forces brutally bombed Gaza, killing over 1,500 men, women, and children. The killing, the bombings continue today. The fishermen in Gaza can no longer make a living since they are limited to only 3 miles from the coastline, in water now overfished and polluted. Farmers along the borders are shot at by the Israeli military. Students who have scholarships cannot travel abroad to study. Everyday Gazans are subjected to long hours of power outages, water shortages, gas shortages, and more. It's our responsibility as citizens of the world to stop the illegal siege on Gaza. Stop buying Israeli products. Stop investing in Israeli companies and Israeli supporters. Tell our governments to place sanctions on Israel. Get involved today. Today we are announcing Gaza's Ark. Together with Palestinians International, with Palestine activists and the Canadian Boat to Gaza, we will build a boat in Gaza. There is also a trade mission by putting their products on the Ark. It will give the Gazans an opportunity to sell their products to international communities. Stop the siege on Gaza. End the occupation of Palestine. End Israeli apartheid.